Time for the next person. Let's race to Thomas until Connor. Let's go. Race up. Now, Thomas and Connor are chasing up. Now, Thomas was moving up. Now, let's try this race again. Set, go! He catches up, and she takes the lead, and she does catch up. And now, embarrassing. Let's try again. Set, launch. She catches up. Thomas and Connor are chasing up. Now, Connor will catch up. Embarrassing. You need a wagon to catch up. Okay, catch up. Connor fell down. Oh wow, Thomas wins the race and she gets first trophy. It's time for the next racer. Thomas against 2 Diesel. Let's get started. Ready, set, race. Thomas didn't catch up. She's still taking up, and now Thomas is now the battle. Oh no! Diesel is now the taking up, and now Thomas was down. Oh, I did. Diesel is the winner. And she gets the first trophy. You win, and you beat Thomas until they crashed up. You win for this race, Diesel. Time to race with Thomas and Whip. Ready, set, race. Catching up with Thomas, and Whip could take up. He didn't catch up. He won't take up and down. Whoa! Let's try this race again. But did you know that? He's the strongest racer. Speed up this time. Thomas is taking the lead, and she wins the Sodor Cup Games. He did so perfectly. Now it's splendid. Now time to race up with Thomas and Mia. Are you ready? Let's go! Mia didn't catch up, and Thomas will win up. She still didn't catch up. Thomas takes up, and Mia is waiting for him. Now Thomas is taking the absolute lead. Now, Thomas wins for the Sodor Cup game. It's awesome! Looks like the photo are discovered with the race. Discovered with Connor, Diesel, Thomas, and it looked like me, Gordon, Diesel, Mia, and the best friend, Percy. Now, let's try another race this time. Now, it's time for Construction Diesel and Talking Thomas. And Normal Thomas. We'll pick up some cargoes. Time to race with Construction Diesel against into Thomas. Ready, set, go! Now Thomas is chasing up. Construction Diesel is taking up the lead, or she didn't catch up. Oh my! Let's try again. Use that wagon so that you can carry it, so crash that rail. Ladies and gentlemen, prepare your engines. Welcome to the island of the tracks. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Perfect start. That was a perfect start. Thomas takes the lead, and she didn't catch up. Well, he didn't catch up. Passing up. No time to lose. Oh yes, Diesel catched up. Yeah, the Thomas chased up. So stressed of being after all. Oh my, Thomas is waiting for up. You win! Thomas takes up the lead and she is the fastest. Try another racer. So let's try this again. We'll race until Percy and best friend. Let's get ready to race. Even though what the guest is with the best friend, right on time. Let's go. Percy is catching catching up with his best friend, and Thomas takes the lead. Oh no! Percy loaded up the mail. First one to pick up. Oh my! Percy take up the lead, and she took the wrong exit. And the track was out. Oh no! Percy is taking the lead. Percy wins and takes the lead. So fun. Now, Thomas catches up. But she didn't feel alright. Oh good, I'm agree. Now let's try another last racer. So, let's try this last racer. Let's get ready to prepare. Thomas versus Emily. Ready, set, race. Thomas didn't catch up. Oh my, Emily's catching up. Goodness, let's try again. Let's go. Ready, set, go. Thomas catched up into Emily. Taking up. Oh no. Let's try again. Bonus time without full engines. Thomas versus Connor versus Emily versus Gordon. Ready, set, go. There is no time to lose. Oh, still catching up. She takes the lead. Catching up. Now let's provide the lead and try again. On the marks, get set. No time to lose. Emily don't catch up. It's the fastest. What marvelous. Let's try Thomas and Connor. Awesome. Let's race. Let's get ready to race. Thomas catched up into Connor. He took the other side, you know. Oh yeah, Thomas took it into the side of the rail. So rare, being useful. Now Thomas is the winner. So we have racers like. So we have the best winners like Thomas Construction Daisel and Thomas Regular. Percy Thomas, Connor, Emily, Gordon. Daisel, Connor is the electricist. Bonus time! Beat the racers to get the first trophy. Ready, set, let's go! Connor catches up, and she's still catching up. Now Connor is chasing up. Oh, Connor says, is that something what I'm doing? Good, Connor's chasing up. Great job, Connor wins. He gets our first trophy. That's enough with today's video, guys. We'll check back later and race again tomorrow. Bye-bye.